Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I was asked by a company on Amazon to review their glue gun. So I said, sure, why not? I would love to. So here's the box that it came in. The MONTVIC full-size hot glue gun. Comes with glue gun, 12 of the glue sticks. It comes with some finger protectors here, and it also has the cord that pops off the back here. So I do have it plugged in and charging. All right, there are two settings. There's the 80 watt, and then there is the 120 watt. I am heating it up on the 80 watt. So MONTVIC Glue Gun, that's the name, that's the model, everything's here. What else was I gonna say? Oh, yes, it's a full-size glue gun, guys. So it's not like our little paper crafty glue gun. This is one that'll probably go into the workshop area of the house with the tools and all that stuff. All right, so I am going to heat this baby up, and then we'll come back and check out some of the features as it is heated up. Okay, so after letting it heat up for about, I'd say maybe 10 minutes, I left. We're just gonna pop the trigger, and if you can see, let's bring you down. Okay. And there it goes. Comes out in a nice smooth, even flow. I just kind of let that say, but let's just do here. You definitely got a lot of control. Makes nice thick lines. You can see what is this, like a 1/4 of an inch. So the line is about a 1/4 of an inch wide. And what I do also want to test is the cordless functionality of the glue gun. So I'm going to leave it on. It says the longer you leave it on, here, let's read the directions together. It says after preheating, either detach the cord after preheating completely for using it cordless, start your project. The longer you plug in, the longer cordless can be used. So that's what I want to test out and see how long we can keep it cordless. So I'm going to leave it plugged in for a little bit longer, maybe a half hour, and then we'll come back and test out that other exciting feature. Okay guys, so I have removed the plug from the glue gun, and this has been 1 minute. So we're going to go ahead and see. Okay, so that's after 1 minute. We're gonna come back in 3 minutes. Okay guys, so the first line is 1 minute away from the plug. The next one is 3 minutes away from the plug, and it is now 5 minutes unplugged. And we are still working good. So this is 5 minutes unplugged. So whatever we could be working on, we would still be fine, and we would have the flexibility of no plug attached, as you can see. So I'm going to come back again, and we're going to give it till 8 minutes and see how it's doing at that point. Okie dokie, see you in a minute. Okay guys, so we are now 8 minutes without the plug, and we're going to do another bead here. Still working good. All right, so that was 8 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wait a full 5 minutes now between this line and the next one. Okay, so we're going to wait 5 minutes. So that should be like 13 minutes after we unplug. So I'll be back in 5. All right, so we're back. It's been 13 minutes. I just kind of marked the minute intervals here, and we're going to go ahead in here and see if we still get. Okay, we are still getting. Oh, sorry. I'm not paying attention to what I'm doing. We are still getting hot glue out of the gun at 13 minutes. So we'll come back again in another 5 and see if it's still working. All right. Okay, we're back. This is 18 minutes. Let's see. A little bit with a lot of pressure, guys. So at about 18 minutes, we start to lose lose our glue gun. But you know what? That's not that bad. 18 minutes. You know, say we're working on like a wreath, or trying to think of something crafty that we might be working on. A wreath, a mixed media canvas, I don't know, some sort of a floral arrangement. You know, you have 18 minutes to move around your table and get it done. And that's also on the 80 watts. It goes 120 watts as well. So maybe that would give us a longer cordless time. So, all right, guys, I am going to wrap this up in 3, 2, 1. All right, so I'm going to say, as far as the MONTVIC full-size hot glue gun goes, I am impressed. I'm impressed at the length of time off the wire, and that took us to about 18 minutes. And just to recap, you get it in this cute little box here. You get 12 glue sticks all together. You get a little instruction guide, and this does have technical support on the back to contact if you have any issues. I did not have any issues. It heated up fine the first time. You get 3 of the finger protectors in different sizes, which is great. And like I said, I do believe this is better for bigger projects, not my usual Happy Mail and paper projects. But if you're doing wreaths or flower arrangements, or you're working on, not too long ago, I had to hot glue felt onto a huge board for the ping pong table, so my son could play against, you know, a board by himself, and then I put felt on the bottom so that it didn't ruin the ping pong table. So this would have been perfect for that, since I used my little glue gun. So, all right, guys, I am giving it a thumbs up. I'm going to link it down below. Like I said, it's like 28 bucks and change, free shipping if you're Amazon Prime. And I also want to thank MONTVIC for reaching out to me and asking me to do a review of their product. Have a great night, guys, and I will see you in the next review.